Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping safely and securing the vehicle. That's your first priority. Once parked, engage the parking brake and place triangles. Make sure they're 10 to 50 meters away. Next, identify the emergency light. Check the trunk, glove box, center console, or the dash switch. Then confirm the power source. Use the 12-volt outlet, the car battery, or the light's onboard battery. Now, press or flip the activation switch firmly. You'll see the beam or beacon engage immediately. This signals correct power and placement. Once the light is on, you need to position it for maximum effect. Mount the unit at roughly 1 to 1.5 meters high. Use the roof, magnet base on metal, antenna clip, or a small tripod. Then select the mode based on need. Flashing for high visibility, solid for steady illumination, or SOS for distress signaling. Make sure to angle the beam toward oncoming traffic and reflective surfaces so drivers see you without being blinded. If you must, rotate intensity or pattern to reduce glare and keep visibility. To finish, turn the light off with the switch and remove it from metal surfaces before you exit, then stow it in a case to avoid damage. If the light is dim or dead, check battery connections and try the 12-volt outlet or a jump from the car battery, replace AA or AAA cells, or recharge the internal pack. If visibility is poor, raise the height, switch to a flashing mode, and re-aim toward traffic. If it still fails, inspect the bulb or LED contacts for corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.